Hello, I'm going to make the lotus leaf sticky rice chicken dumpling, and this is the lotus leaf look like that. I'm going to show you how to cut it later. And I'm using 2 cups of sticky rice and add 2 cups of water and put it in the rice cooker. It's really easy to make it. And also I have some chicken, about 7 ounces of chicken, and I use 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon cooking wine, 1/4 teaspoon of white spice powder, and 1 tablespoon of oil. And I got 1 teaspoon of garlic. I'm going to put it on the side. Also, we have about 1 ounce of green onion, 1 ounce of dry shrimp. The dry shrimp you need to soak it in the water for probably 30 minutes. And I got a fried mushroom, and you have to put it in the hot water for about 2 hours. And I got 2 Chinese sausage. And for the sauce, I use 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of white spice powder, and some chili bean sauce. So I'm going to put all the sauce in it. And the sugar, and the white spice powder, and the chili bean sauce. And stir it. And the chicken here, I'm gonna put the soy sauce, oyster sauce, some cooking wine, white spice powder, some oil. Okay, I'm going to cook the chicken with the garlic first. Okay, the wok is hot. I'm going to put a little bit oil in it. Oh, and also I put a pinch of salt and pinch of white pepper in the chicken. And I'm going to put some garlic in it. And I'm going to remove it first. Okay, and then I'm going to using the same wok. I'm going to put some Chinese sausage in it first. Then I put some mushroom in it. I'm going to put a Chinese mushroom in it. And some dry shrimp. I'm going to put back all the chicken in it. Okay, then I'm going to put all the onion. In it. Okay, that looks good. Then I'm going to put some sauce in it. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to remove it. Okay, then also I have some egg yolk, salt egg yolk. I make it by myself, and I have that recipe online. If you want to learn it, you can get my recipe. And this is the lotus leaf. So I'm going to cut it. Cut the bottom like that. And I cut the center. Also the size, cut right here. And also you need to soak the lotus leaf overnight, at least I think 5-6 hours, and wash it after that. Okay, looks good. Okay, I'm going to be spray some little bit oil in the leaf. Okay, and grab some sticky rice. And you're going to be scoop some filling in it. And then I'm going to put the salt eggs on top of it. Just like that. And grab another piece of sticky rice. Okay, and put it on top of it too. And that's okay if the filling over the rice, because I'm going to cover it anyway. I'm going to put the bottom leaf on, pull the bottom leaf and pull the right hand side and left hand side, and fold it like this. Okay, this is done one. Do another one for each shoulder. And make sure the lotus leaf, they are dry. If they are not dry, you're using a paper towel to dry it. And put a salt egg in it. And put the sticky rice on top of it. And pull the bottom and the right hand side, left hand side. I'm going to make one more. Okay? And the rest of it, you just repeat it, do the same thing. Okay, this is all done. And you just repeat do the same thing again, over and over again until they're done. And you're gonna put that in a dumpling and steam it for 30 minutes. And cover it. Okay, this is 30 minutes already. I'm gonna remove it and show you. And this is this. I'm going to open one up to show you how it looks like. And this is how it looks like. And this is egg yolk and some chicken and sausage in it. This is what I make today, the chicken sticky rice and dumpling. I'm going to show you how to make the salt egg. So I'm using 1 cup of sea salt. Put it in the bowl like this. Then I'm using 4 cups of boiled water, hot water. And you stir it. It have to be hot water. Okay, you stir the salt until they all melt. Okay, so look pretty good. And also you have to wait until the water completely cool down. So that probably take a couple hours. So I leave it on the side. I got some here. I already did it overnight. Already cool down. So all you do is put the egg in it. Okay, this is all done, and all you do is cover and label it, put down the day that you put the egg in it. They're going to be take 4 to 6, 8 weeks. So in about 4 weeks, you can take one out and try it first. If that don't come in too good, then you're going to leave it for another 2 weeks. So after 6 weeks, so the egg should be look like that, and the egg yolk they're really firm, they are not runny. That's how I make the salt egg today.